Yes, in yesterday's class, we have solved it by synthetic division method by taking the values between minus 3 and 3 by trial and error method. Because the question is like that, you are supposed to take the values between minus 3 and 3. Okay, by trial and error method, you have to find out the q of x. Already, the given question is what? F of x. So, to find q of x, that means q of x means what? To find the first factor of this one. By trial and error method, you have to find the first factor. And that trial and error method should be the value between minus 3 and 3. Yesterday, this was the question. The question itself is given that you are supposed to take the values between minus 3 and 3 and solve it by the synthetic division method. So, that means again trial and error method, you have to take the values which are present between minus 3 and 3. That means minus 2 first, then minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So, in that 4, 5 values, you will get definitely the value. So, those values where we have to take? We have to take on the right hand side, sorry, left hand side. When you put on the right hand side, left hand side, the result should be 0. First I will take x is equal to minus 2 because told you have to take the values between minus 3 and plus 3. So, I have taken minus 2. So, this will become f of minus 2. If you want, you can put. Okay. Otherwise, here you can put minus 2 whole cube minus 2 into minus 2 whole square minus 29 into minus 2 minus 42. Since it is odd power, negative sign will be negative only. 2 to the power of 3 is 8, minus 2. Since it is even power, negative will become positive, positive 4. So, minus into plus, sorry, minus into minus, plus 29 2 times. 29 2 times is 58, minus 42. Now, this is minus 8. Minus into plus minus 8 plus 58 minus 14. So, this is negative, this is negative, this is negative. Add the negative terms. So, all are negative. This is minus 8, this is minus 8, minus 2. You add the negative term, write the greater number sign. Minus 42 minus 8 is minus 50. Minus 50 minus 8 is minus 58 plus 58 is equal to 0. Definitely one of the factor is minus 2. One of the factor is minus 2 and this you can take it as g of x. So please copy down up to this. So for synthetic division, the highest power, that is x cube, its coefficient is 1, and the next real number x square, for x square it is minus 2, then minus 29 and the constant value minus 2. Okay, that means you have to take minus 2. I told you that the first coefficient, that is the variable of highest power x cube, coefficient has to be kept as it is. Now, minus into plus minus 2 ones are 2. 2 one time is 2. So, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Then minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. 2 4 times is 8. 2 4 times is 8. So these two are different sign. Subtract them. I will get 21. Greater number sign is minus. Further minus into minus plus. 2 into 21 is 42. I told you that this is the remainder which is 0. So remainder which is 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation to find the other two values. One can be written as 1x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. What you have to do? Either you can solve it by prime factorization, by prime method, or by the using the formula. That means either by the splitting the method, splitting the middle term, or by the formula method. Sridharacharya's rule. So okay, for the splitting method, x square minus 21. X square minus 21 is minus 21 x square. I will split x square. X square as x into x. For minus 21, you have to take two terms. When you multiply, you should get minus 21. If you add and subtract, you should get minus 4. Can anybody tell what are those terms? You can take minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3. So minus into plus minus 7 3s are 21 x into x square. Minus 7x plus 3x will give you minus 4x. So x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. These two are one term. So I will take x common in this, x minus 7. Plus these two one term. I will take 3 common, x minus 7 equal to 0. So I will get x minus 7 and x plus 3 equal to 0. So very clearly I can take x minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, this implies x equal to 7. One value. Next, x plus 3 is equal to 0. This implies x equal to minus 3. So therefore, the value of x is equal to, write in order, first minus 2, comma, minus 3 and 7. So these are the values of the x in the given cubic equation, and it is being solved by the method called synthetic division. Right? Please copy down this one. See, the heading for this question is same only. By trial and error method, you have to find the first value. By trial and error method, you are supposed to find the first value, and that first value should be present between minus 3 and 3. As per the given question, you are supposed to take the value which are present between minus 3 and 3. And the values which are present between minus 3 and 3 are what? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. After that, if any one of the value, either maybe minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, that value will satisfy the right hand side. Left hand side agaga, right hand side answer barutte. Satisfy agaga, aduna one of the value of the consider ಮಾಡಿ synthetic division ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 0. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 0. ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. And that quadratic equation you can solve it by formula method or by prime method, factorization method, or by factorization method, what we call it as splitting the middle term, or by the formula method. Okay, Vaishnavi, yes. First ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, we have to take x equal to minus 2. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ they are told in the question that you are supposed to take the values between minus 3 and 3. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. So trial and error method only, you have to take the values which are present between -3 and 3, and those values are nothing but -2. If it satisfies, fine. Otherwise, you have to go with -1 or with 0 or with 1 or with 2. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ satisfy ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So x equal to -2. So -2 whole cube minus 10 minus 2 whole square plus 29 whole to the power of -2 minus 20. So I have substituted the value of x. Of course, we know that this is taken as f of x. I have substituted the x value as -2 on the left hand side. Since the power is odd number, since the power is odd, already I told you that the power odd means if the power is 1, 3, 5, 7 like that, okay, that means the sign will remain as it is, negative will be negative only. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Minus 10, okay, power is even number. When the power is even number, either it is negative or positive, it will become positive only. It will become positive only. Plus 4. Now, plus of, ಈ ತರ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ 29 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ನಿಮಗೆ 29 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 32 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 30 ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. 60 minus 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you get the value as 58 minus 20. Most probably we will not get with this, I think so. Minus 8 plus into minus, minus 40 minus 58 minus 20. See, all are negative values. All are negative values. If you add them, you will not get 0. Then ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ other than 0. That means x cannot be taken as -2. That means we are supposed to try with 1. Try with 1. Yes, we will take 1. Yes, I will take 1. X equal to -1 I will take. So -1 whole cube minus 10 minus 1 whole square plus 29 minus 1 minus 20 minus 20. I hope ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ, will try it. So since it is a cube, negative will be negative only. Minus 1 minus 10 minus 10. So since it is a square, negative will become positive. Plus 1. Now plus into minus, minus 29 minus 20. So very clearly minus 1 minus of plus minus 10 minus 29 minus 20. So idu kuda baralla. Okay, idu kuda barta illa. I'm telling you, I'm showing you. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 2 ಹಾಕಿ -2 ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, -2 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, -1 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ 0, ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ when I take 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ. ಸೊ 0 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 0 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ minus 10 into 0 square plus 29 into 0 minus 20. ನೋಡಿ 0, ಇದು ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So 0 minus 20 is minus 20, which is not equal to right hand side. So 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ. Okay. Next, you take minus 1. Minus 1 is 1 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? You take plus 1, sorry. minus 2 ಆಯಿತು, minus 1 ಆಯಿತು, 0 ಆಯಿತು, plus 1. 1 whole cube minus 10, 1 whole square plus 29, 1 minus 20. 1 minus 1 square is 1 only. 1 into 10, 10 plus 29 minus 20. Minus 20. Yes? See, this is positive 1, this is positive 29. 29 plus 1, 30. minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, which is equal to 0. That is the right hand side. So therefore, x is equal to plus 1 is one of the factor of the cubic equation. Once you get, we have to find the quotient in the form of quadratic equation and the remainder should be 0. That should be done by the synthetic division method. Okay, please copy down this one. Yes. For synthetic division, you write all the real numbers. That means coefficient of x cube 1, coefficient of x square 10 with a negative sign. If it is negative sign, you have to write with sign. Positive bantu bittru bantu, we are not writing it. That's all. Then 29. Then constant value is minus 20. What we got? X is equal to plus 1. X equal to what? Plus 1. ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 time 1. So of course you can write 1 or 0 1. So this is plus minus 10 plus 1. These two are different sign. One is negative, the other one is positive. When there are different sign, we are supposed to subtract. So 10 minus 1 is 9 and the greater number is 10. Its sign is minus. Its sign is minus. Next, plus into minus, minus. 9 one time is 9. 9 one time is 9. So this is plus 29. This is minus 9. Both are different sign. Subtract. When you subtract, you will get 20 and the greater number sign is plus. Because 29 is greater, its sign is positive. Now plus into plus, plus. 1 into 20, 20. So we got the remainder as 0. Remainder 0 ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x equal to plus 1 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Now we have to solve the quadratic equation. X square minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. I told you, formula method ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ by factorization method ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Factorization is nothing but splitting the middle term. 20 into x square. 20x square. x square ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ x into x. 20 ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 20 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 9 ಬರಬೇಕು. I will take minus 5 minus 4. So minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, 5 4 times is 20, x into x is x square. So minus 5x minus 4x, both are of same sign. When I add, I will get minus 9x. So x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. These two one term, in that we can take x common, I will get x minus 5. So in this I can take minus 4 common. Already I told you, when I take minus common, illi, if it is positive sign it will become negative, if it is negative it will become positive. X minus 20 can be written as 4 into 5. Already I have taken 4 common, it will be 5 which is equal to 0. So therefore I can get from these two x minus 4 is equal to 0, x minus 5 equal to 0. Right? So therefore I will get x equal to 4, x equal to 5. So therefore the value of x is equal to, you write in order. First one is plus 1. Next one is 4. Next one is 5. Okay. I hope you understood this one. By this chapter is